Good morning. Well, this is about 8:30 and we're setting off on a little trek, or more of a bike and hike. Away to, well, going from Linn and we're going up all the way up to past the Hutchinson Memorial, Lothian, and up onto Loch Etchachan. So that's the idea. I'm going to pick an absolute cracker of a day. For 2 days, because I'm going to camp up overnight up there. Go for a little wander about, and maybe go and do Glen Derry in the morning, I don't know. We'll just play that one by ear. Right, we're away. Round 2. I just had to fly back to Braemar there. Because I couldn't fly my drone because it wasn't logged in. Since I got my new phone, I've not flown the drone with it, so I had to go drive back to Braemar, log in to get it to work properly. So now we're en route again. So round 2. Let's go. Glen Derry, round 2. There we are. I finally got to the end of this path, which intersects the main path. I did try this path out because it looked better. Now, shoot back a week past Wednesday. Me and Gavin were kind of walking out of Glen Derry and we noticed this bridge that crosses the river. I went, oh look, why is that bridge closed? Just fine. So yeah, why is that bridge closed? I don't know why it's closed, but yeah, it's closed. I've got to somehow get over this river. Wish me luck. This shit could go really wrong here.
Seriously?
Never, ever cycle up this path if you're going up Glen Derry. Ever. So after the bridge saga, yeah, that was good. So we're see our targets now. So we've got, let me see. So this first, up in this first quarry up here is Loch Etchachan, something like that. And the one behind it, that second quarry, or little glen shape in the back of there that goes up, is the Hutchison Memorial. So we are in sight of our target, which I've just measured at 5 kilometres away. I'm seriously contemplating ditching the bike because it's just, I'd just rather walk. It's much more enjoyable. That is the worst cycle I've ever endured coming up here. This just wasn't pleasant at all. I just should have left it at Derry Lodge and walked up. But we'll see. I'm feeling I'm going to take it a little bit further and then probably just dump it. I'll just see, because the path's not too bad. You can see it here. Yeah, there's a path. It's this kind of stuff with water features. So nice breeze though. Let the sun have cloud to keep the. See that breeze there? Tell you what, that's nice. Glen Derry. So I just bumped into a really nice guy. He's come cycling over there. He's just cycled down from Beinn Mheadhoin. I can't even cycle this path here. Look at it. I can't even cycle on that without crashing my bike. And he's just come down from Beinn Mheadhoin, as you do. And then down past Loch Etchachan. down what he says is, oh, we're just going to go up and see what the path is, but I think it's going to be horrendous. I'll just be parking my bike after those trees apparently, he says, probably as far as you'll go. Now, the bike is off. The bike has been padlocked to that tree right there. Now it's a party. Now we can just chill and walk. Down here, Hutchison Memorial Bothy, or its proper name is Loch Etchachan Shelter. See that? I'll give you a little guided tour. It's not too bad inside. I'm liking this bit though. A nice little fireplace, look. Imagine this in winter, chucking some logs. I don't know where you get logs from, but it'd certainly be cosy in here. Should have watched it burn the place down, obviously. So yeah, that's it. That's just in Bothy. Alright, there's my path. There's my path there. All the way up there, we miles away. And up the top of there is Loch Etchachan, but you see the clouds are going over the top of here a little bit. They're not bad. I mean, it's certainly not cold, that's the main thing. I mean, you look at this rock face in the back of here, it's beautiful. It's outstanding. Well, made it up. A little bit of a nippy climb on the way up. The weight was starting to take its toll. Well, I'm here now, and the wind's been an issue, we could say. The tent I've got it does have guy lines on it, and the wind's at times gusting pretty nasty. So, and you can see a big rock over there. So I'm just trying to get shelter from this. As you can probably hear, wind. I was just collecting water out of the loch bar there, and it's like tidal waves coming over the side, isn't it? So yeah, I just went and collect some water. Got my 2 litre water bottle here, and I'm just going to filter into there as I need it. So that'll work. And my treat for the day, these suckers. Sitting chilling. Man, that was good. Sandwich, a sneaky dram. I felt like I needed to treat myself to come up here. That was horrendous. It was quite hard. I think actually the cycling up here made it worse. Didn't enjoy the cycling at all, to be honest. I would probably cycle at Derry Lodge and just park up the next day. But carrying that weight is really hard because it throws you off balance. You're adding 13 kilograms on your back wheel, and the front of the bike is just so light, it just that's a nightmare. I was not designed for mountain biking, that's for sure. But the weather's settling a little bit now, which is good, because it was a bit of a shame coming all up here and it was really grey and the wind was up, and yeah, the view outside the tent's not too bad either. Yeah, I need to go and get my peak finder app on and see if I can suss out what that big pointy summit is away in the distance. I seen it when we did Cairn Brick and Corraine a week and a half ago. So I'm just gonna lie here with my super excellently inflated pillow, just the right pressure, and it is sweet. My back's burst with that weight though. It's burst. Never mind. We'll get a replenish of the energies, and I'm going to hopefully go out there and go up that hill over there, which I have no idea what it is, but I'm going to have a wee find out. Hopefully I can get enough elevation and get some signal for the fine ladies. She knows I'm alright. I was hoping to get someone up here, but all I got was wind. So, right, I'll be back soon. So, inside my magic cup we have gas, stove, stand, and the mug. And we're having chicken fajita. Rice. 1, 2, 3. Screw this. What the hell? This is about as oh, easy, tiger. Jesus. It's about as compact as my stove's been so far with this. Only 1 cup job. Yeah, cheers. Loch Etchachan. I'll get it on it eventually. The waiting game. So I was nipped down to the local loch for a beer. I have no idea what this is. Passion fruit, Lil NEIPA. Not doing very well pronouncing things today, to be honest. Not doing very well with that at all. So, let's see what it's all about. I've earned this. Getting up here. Good luck. The wind's horrendous. It comes from this way and from that way. can live with that. I can live with that. It's a good job because I love it, because I'm a bit far from the local co-op. Is it ready? Yeah, I am uber hungry. Try it enough for me. Well, opinion on the chicken from Summit to Eat is you could do some seasoning, but it's quite fun. I was going to film up, that's for sure. Yeah, we tripped out to Loch Etchachan there. Not far, actually, probably 20 minutes. Pretty reasonable path, bouldery. What a view though. What a great view. Yeah, you've got people down on that beach. Right there is a tent. There's somebody down there as well. This is a cracking place to camp. I mean, look at the beach down there. Look at that. Oh, it looks amazing. Let's just see, it's crystal clear. Absolutely crystal clear. Somebody in the water down there. I'm not surprised, so would I be. You can tell how high that is though, as you can see the clouds skiffing the top of it. It's 1,244, I believe, meters. So I just had to do an emergency evacuation of the shelter here because the tent wasn't taking the wind. The wind's really picked up down here, and I'm just going to have to get out of here. So. Take down. I'll go down to Bothy and see what it's like. It's just going to be windy down there as well, but we'll see. I might even sleep in the bothy tonight and see. Let's see. Yep, it looks like daylight here, but it ain't that light here at all. It's about 10:30 now. For the bailout of the from up there. Wind, I'm down off that Monroe, down Beinn, and the wind was hard up there, and it was the same at the bottom. So I had to evac pronto, and as I was taking the stuff on my tent, it just collapsed, so it was like the right move. So I'm just down looking for a spot to camp at 10:30. Perfect. Yeah, so that's it. Everything's went really well. It's been a fine day actually. It's been really fine. Just what happens when you're in the campgrounds, isn't it? And it wasn't forecast. If it was, I would have taken a better tent. It would have been a lot heavier, but I've worked out that if I'd taken my Hilleberg, it would have been an extra 3 kilos, including what the hell was it including? I can't remember. The tent itself. I had the backpack, yeah, my other pack, I would have probably need to take my other pack, so that would have been the 3 kilos on top of the already 13. Whew. No. So we'll just go and find a spot now and fancy a bit of kit, like, because it's been a long day. Right, I'll catch up now and I get this tent up somewhere. Yeah, it's getting dark now. I'm still cycling though. I'm waiting to cycle to Derry Lodge because there's just not really anywhere to camp. It's not boggy, long grass, pain in the ass. So yeah, I'm now cycling out. And the stars are up actually. I'm now cycling out in the pitch black. This has been mental, like what an experience, like, but not ideal. But we are getting some stars coming out, so I'm going to try some astro with this phone. But I need to get to Glen Derry Lodge first, get a camp. So till then. Yeah, got some couple of guardians of the track here, look. Any chance of getting past, lads? We get past. You're just going to sit there, big guy. Double minestrone for breakfast. Soup for breakfast. And even down here the wind's got a bit carried away with itself again this morning. Down at Derry Lodge. Had to get a massive evacuating bailout last night and cycle back in the dark. Got here about after midnight. And find a nice flatback grind. Wow. Very, very pleasant flatback grind. Just straight onto the sleeping bag and done. Exhausted, like. I wasn't expecting to have to cycle all the way back here after climbing a window. But here we are. So we're having breakfast.